Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Vector Charts. In this video, I'll show you how to add nautical charts to MapLibre GL.js. This tutorial assumes you've already set up a Vector Charts cloud account. If you haven't, go to vectorcharts.com and click Get Started to create an account. If you'd like to follow along with these tutorials, we've uploaded the source code to GitHub under Vector Charts example apps. This is linked at the bottom of our webpage. MapLibre is a JavaScript library that uses WebGL to render maps in the browser, and it's a great fit for vector charts because it supports vector tiles natively. Once you've signed up for vector charts, you'll want to keep the dashboard open so that we can copy the style URL into our application. I've got an application built in MapLibre that initializes a map. All you need to do to set up vector charts in MapLibre is go back to the cloud dashboard and copy the style URL. You can use any of the options for a vector style. For example, copy from Mapbox.gl.js or select other vector tile map. This URL returns a JSON style that is interpreted by the map renderer to display the tiles. Copy this URL into MapLibre under the style parameter when you're initializing the map. You'll see your application reload, and now the map is loaded. You'll note as I scroll around, all of the iconography and fonts have also been loaded with this style URL. There are a number of customizations that you can make to the map style using query parameters added to this URL. For a full list of those parameters, go to docs.vectorcharts.com and take a look at the theming section. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add nautical charts into your MapLibre map using the Vector Charts API. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us using the Contact Us form on our website, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.